किसने प्रपोज किया पहले?
ऑब्वियसली मैंने.
We are just friends. You make my life easier. You give me strength. You give me purpose. And you make my life so worth living that I believe together we can do anything and together we are complete. I have loved you immensely, like a friend, your best friend, your special friend, and your lover.
अच्छा रिलेशनशिप में आई एम द इमोशनल वन.
Heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching you stand